How to upgrade the Brave 8 firmware. After the camera connecting to app, click Connect and a firmware upgrade window will pop up. Click Upgrade Firmware. Please ensure to insert the memory card into the camera and upgrade every time because it can optimize your experience at maximum. Wait a few minutes until the upgrade succeeded. The camera will power off automatically. Now, we just need to restart it. And swipe down to Preferences, General Settings, About to check the camera information. And there's another method to upgrade. Go to the shooting view in app. Click the setting icon on the upper right. You can see Software Upgrade. If there is a new version ready, click it and it will start upgrading. If it is already upgraded to the latest version, the tips will tell you.